Greetings traders. To locate and use the custom indicators in TopstepX, click on Indicators at the top of the chart. Search for TopstepX. Click on the indicator name that you wish to add to your chart. Click on the star to add it to your favorites, which will bring it to the top of the list. The TopstepX Price Info Indicator is a convenient way to view several price levels at a glance. To customize, mouse over the name of the indicator and click on the settings icon. Under the input section, there are 5 options to choose from. Close is the actual bar close. HA close is the projected Heikin-Ashi close price based on the Heikin-Ashi calculation, which is commonly used to smooth out bar-to-bar noise. You can choose to show the historical prices from either the close or the Heikin-Ashi close. When you select to show round numbers, it plots incremental levels based on the setting in the round number increment field, starting with the round number increment closest to the current price. You can specify up to 3 levels above and below the current price. Under the Style section, choose which levels you would like to plot: the line color, the line style, and the type of plot you wish to use. One item to note about the round number increment is that you may need to adjust it to match the instrument you are trading. For example, this is RBOB gasoline, and as you can see, there are several decimal places to the right. If you need to use a decimal, be sure to put a leading 0 before the decimal point.